Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Are you a Christian or a Muslim?
I'm a Christian.
You swear by the
Honorable
Bible?
Speaker, Honorable Speaker, I beg to introduce to you the member-elect for all Kalou constituency, namely Sammy, Douglas, Kamau, Waweru.
The Bible?
Bible, yes.
Here. Lift the Bible in your right hand and recite this oath. Starting with your name.
I, Sammy, Douglas, Kamau, Waweru, having been elected a member of the National Assembly, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of Parliament. So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
You may proceed and sign to your oath of office.